Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today is Eid al-Fitr. It's a great festival for Muslim Ummah. Almighty Allah gives us this great opportunity to taking forgiveness and respect His rules and regulations and follow the rules of Sunnah Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. His courtesy, behavior, respect elders, and caring about youngers for getting forgiveness. May Allah accept our all sacrifices, prayers, praise, and we got to follow His Sunnah. May Allah accept our all sacrifices and what did we done in the month of Ramadan. We have to follow the next 11 months the same way, taking prayers, doing good things, helping each other, good manner, good behavior, build our character, and contributing our family, our society, our friends, our relatives. We have to teach, we have to learn about Islam, we have to recite Quran. I wish you all the very best. Today is a great festival for Muslim Ummah. We are very much glad and happy that we are Muslim. So we are really very much happy about our religion, Islam. We are a Muslim, we are a Ummah of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Eid Mubarak.